Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is June. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. So we're doing a morning routine today. I somewhat started already because I'm gonna be honest, I forgot that I'm actually gonna film a weekend morning routine. But yeah, Nikki's still sleeping. We usually sleep in on the weekends. It's 9 o'clock right now. I did wake up a little earlier, but I just went back to sleep. I was like, I need this sleep. I need this beauty sleep. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna get started. This is a very realistic one. So the first thing I do in the morning is I always drink water. Before I eat, everything I do is literally drink water. I usually try to drink 2 cups of water before I start eating or start do anything. So yeah, while I was drinking that water, I made sure to heat some water up for our hot chocolate. Nicky and I don't drink coffee, so hot chocolate is kind of like our morning dessert. And I usually always plant my plants in the morning too. In the weekends, I do not water them during the weekday because I don't have time in the morning because of work. But I only water the ones every weekend, the ones that needs to be watered once a week. So, which is my peace lily and my monstera. And then I just took out the things that we're gonna eat for breakfast. So we always have like brunch because Nicky usually wakes up at 10. He should be awake now. And oh, my other pancake ripped off in the middle. But I made this yesterday. It's gluten-free pancake. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I know you guys know how I bake, and I love baking, but I just cannot make a perfect pancake. So I had to use a box pancake. But this one is a really good brand. I trust this brand because the ingredients are amazing, and it's gluten-free. Only I believe only Target has this brand, so if you guys like one, go check it out. Also Costco, I have this paella. I don't really know how to say it. Paleo pancake that's kind of more like keto, I guess, or like much healthier pancake. Nicky's awake because I hear him playing Pokemon Go. Here's my outfit of the day at the moment. I'm just wearing this shirt. It's actually my dad's business shirt. S is actually for Soriano. He has business in the Philippines. Fun fact, it's not really fun fact, but it's just a fact that he lives in the Philippines and he has a, you know, really good business there. That's why he stayed there. It's kind of like Firestone. So he gives this shirt to his loyalty customer, and he gave one to us when he visited here. Just my pajamas and my Halloween socks. Look how cute are they. They're from Target. Got it from $1. I bought one for Nicky too, and so I'm actually going to start cooking. So here I'm just cooking our breakfast. I usually just make scrambled eggs or over easy eggs, but in the weekdays actually I always make scrambled eggs for Nicky. But today I'm just making 2 sunny side up eggs and some hash browns and some sausages, and like I showed you guys earlier, I already made some pancakes from last night. So, you know, I'm just adding a little bit more to our breakfast. So we use this for our hot chocolate. It's the best thing ever. So I'm going to make us hot chocolate. We have a, you guys are not, I'm not there. Great. Still out there? We have such a big mug. Because like I said, I need to run the dishwasher soon. Oh. Look how Nicky's mug is gonna be. It's humongous, but oh well. So I'm gonna have two, and he loves hot chocolate, and so do I. And of course, me being so festive, I have this pumpkin spice creamer. I was looking for the Delight brand, but they didn't have it. So I just bought this Coffee Mate, and of course I gotta be festive. I gotta have the fall vibe, you know? So I put this, and it's delicious. Hi, good morning. Okay.
You're filming right now?
Yeah. Really?
Got the new addition to the collection, you know. Come on. What?
So we usually like to eat in the living room. We do sometimes eat in the kitchen with our bar stool and the island, but we just like to, you know, relax and not having a rule on the weekends. So we're just gonna watch Flash while we're eating our breakfast. Maple syrup is the best. Once you start using maple syrup, you'll never go back to those garbage syrup. Earlier, we like to just watch and chill. We've been watching Flash, and we actually finished it already. It was really good. You guys definitely check it out. So guys, my camera died, so I'm using my phone. I'm not lying. Anyway, Nicky wants to go to flea market, and I do not want to go to flea market.
Mind your business.
So I'm just gonna get ready. It's part of our morning routine. You are so lazy. Look. He's not very nice, I know. Anyway, we're gonna get ready. Well, I'm gonna get ready because actually I have to put everything away in the kitchen first.
All right, videos.
Because I cannot leave the house messy. I'm just gonna put my plants back where they belong in their home. God belongs there. And my monstera. I cannot wait till this little baby grows. It's growing. It's unfolding slowly. So after my plants has been drained off, I usually put them back in place, and I just like put back all the knickknacks, all the things that we use in the kitchen, and put the pillows back where it belongs. And I just like clean a little bit before we leave for the day, and because I'm a clean freak, and I just like run the dishes because we need it. So I'm going to take a shower now. I'm gonna get ready in the living room. By means, I'm gonna do my makeup there because the lighting here is bad. So even during the weekends, I still like dressing up. You know, I like to always be stylish. So I was just in my closet and just picking what I'm gonna wear for the day, like, you know, to go to the flea market. I wasn't really going for a, you know, good, really like stylish look. I was looking for a stylish but comfortable. And here I'm just doing my makeup. I'm actually gonna do a get ready with me. I will probably be posting that next week. And I'm gonna show you like all the products that I use, and I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. I don't know why I'm talking while I'm doing my lips. Like out like this anymore. Ah! You're gonna lose your bullets again. Nikki always shoot me with this. Can you like show them, please?
Show them what?
The gun.
Hurry up, please.
I'm filming!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We need to slow that down. I will put that one. I will put that one.
Please.
There is a sweet side of Nikki and there's the evil side of Nikki. No! Too late!
Listen, motherfuckers.
I forgot to show you guys. This is my outfit of the day. All black. You can never go wrong with all black. And I'm wearing my Adidas. But right now I'm just wearing my socks. And, because, you know, we're just going to flea market. Nothing too fancy. Probably going to eat out because, you know, I don't like cooking during the weekends. Because I always cook every weekday. So, yeah. Like I said, this sweater is from Zara. And this pants is from...